Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1748th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This 1748th installment of these educational videos coming at you on a Monday night for trading Tuesday, which is day one of a two-day Fed meeting or FOMC meeting where Powell, our new chairman, will decide if he's going to raise rates or not. And I'm basically assuming that because you're watching this happening right here, that there will be a rate hike and the market is pricing that rate hike in. Remember, traders, futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss. So is any type of trading. Can absolutely reduce your economics to rubble. Please be careful. Know that you need to put stops in. You must have risk capital to lose. And join me in my free live trading room, and I'll help you stay straight with these markets. Remember, there's new mobile chat access now, so come on down to Live with Oscar and use your phones if you need to get to me. So, what are we looking at? E-mini S&P has a red omni. This is actually the SPY or the cash S&P, same as the E-mini for this purpose anyway. Has a red omni for starting off the day and likely for a lot of the day, trading day one of the Fed meeting, which is Tuesday, March 20th, 2018. Clearly, you can see this trouble area that I've been pointing out to you for days on end is starting to now give the markets trouble. That's your E-mini S&P. Watch this. You've seen all these charts, but now look at how it's starting to pan out. Remember, we started this series off by me saying no more buying or a short-term hold-on buying. This was days and days ago. Trouble area, dropped that average out there for you, said let's watch out, no more buying. Omni went bearish. Well, we have dropped a lot since then. Tried to rally back up, couldn't get there, right? Let me show you with this little circle here. Let me just give us a little tool I can follow this trade around with a little bit. So, the market, when we had the signal to stop buying, was here. Thank you, Omni, for the smart signal. To go short, the market had dropped, rallied up, tried to get past that average, found nothing there, and dropped again. So it is having trouble underneath that average or trouble area. No more buying has been the right thing. So you've seen S&P cash market. This is the Dow Jones Transportation Average. Now let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Look at this chart. Same sort of action now beginning to take place on the Dow. Trouble area for the Dow as well, right? Tries to get above the average, fails, gets above momentarily, fails, does get above, but literally lasts 1 day, 2 days, and boom, on day 3 it was back below. Then it tries to get above the average, which once again, let's get us a little circle here. So watch this. It tries to get above the average after breaking. Can't do it. Fails. Gets over for a day. Fails. Gets over for 1 day green, second day red, but on day 3, back below. Then it tries to get above here. Fails. Not looking so good here either for your Dow. So the Dow, the tranny, the S&P do not look very good for day trading. Remember, the larger picture is this is still a huge bull market, right? Huge bull market. We're not calling for anything more than play it 1 day at a time. And right now, Omni's looking for downside, and downside is the way we'll play it. So that is that. Now let's go back to the S&P for a moment, and then we'll move out to another chart. Let's look at this. Our stock for tomorrow, for trading on Tuesday, will be Tesla with the red Omni. Tesla has a red Omni. I don't blame the market for being red Omni Tesla. I don't blame the Omni for being red Tesla. You've seen what happened in the last few days, but Tesla looks like it's cracking down from what was a huge pennant. Red line up here, red line down here, getting through in the form of a channel, failing at the 200 bar moving average. Omni's red. We will be selling the rallies for Tesla Motors for trading on Tuesday. Join me at livewithoscar.com, and of course, I will show you what we're doing with Tesla and the other markets. Remember, all types of trading it's extremely risky out there. Please be careful. And let's go back, and I believe that was here. let's go back and say, traders, I will meet you all at my live site. Come to my live trading room at www.livewithoscar.com. And remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things I can tell you to do to keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.